Hey guys, welcome to one of my favorite communities here in Dana Point. This is Dana Bluffs. It is actually in Capo Beach, which just overlooks Doheny State Beach Park there that you can see in the background. You can check out the surf in the morning, see if you feel like surfing or go to work instead. Fully renovated, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo here. Come take a look. Got your own little lanai here with a little gate if you want to take your dog out for a walk. How's it looking out there? There's a half bath downstairs, 2-car garage there. Let's take you upstairs where all the bedrooms are. First room on the right, which they share bathroom. This is a larger room. Has an extra little area there for an office or sitting area. Let's check out the primary. And this has that gorgeous view. I'll show you the renovated bathroom. Huge walk-in shower. Also has the dual sinks as well as the tub. And then that view that I can't get enough of. So if you guys would like more information about this property or any others in the area, call me, text me 949-441-9918. Aloha.